Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Identifying the liquid with the highest pH is simple if you know your functional groups. Let's break down these 4 chemical structures right now. First, look at propylamine. It contains a nitrogen atom with a lone pair of electrons. This allows it to act as a weak base by accepting protons from the water solution. Next, compare the others. Pentane is neutral while propanoic acid is clearly acidic, which means it will have a very low pH. We need the highest pH value among all samples. Since propylamine is the only basic compound here, it must have the highest pH. That makes option A our clear winner for this chemistry problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when checking acidity. Trust the given structures to find bases.